Welcome to our vlog!
Good morning, Troy! Hi! Oh my gosh! Dito siya sa akin natulog kagabi. And yan, sunod-sunod sa akin si Troy. Hi! Ay sus, ay sus. Oh my gosh. It's ano na guys. 10 o'clock. Another late start of the day. Yeah, nagising ako ng mga magsi-7 yata yun. Tapos nag-phone and kausap ko sila daddy kasi nga 8 o'clock. They should be at the airport right now because 10 o'clock yung flight nila. And then nakatulog ulit ako ng mga 9 pero for a few minutes lang. Ngayon, diba kahapon, I had a late start of the day. 12 plus na ako nakalabas ng bahay. Tapos, parang guhol na guhol ako. Tapos, sabi ko, today, maaga ako lalabas. But then, I remembered I have a parent-teacher meeting with 7 Saks teachers. And, ikaw kasi magbubook ng time slot mo. And it starts at 9. So, yung binook ko was 9:15 at saka 9:45. So, that is 11:15 and 11:45 dito. So, mukhang ganun din. Kaya dapat, bago mag-start yung parent-teacher meeting, naka-prepare na ako para pagkatapos ng meeting, I can like go out the door. Although today, bala ko lang naman sa Dollar Tree pumunta and maybe ShopRite. Tignan ko, hindi ko alam kung anong meron sa ShopRite. And I don't really see a lot of people like posting things about ShopRite. It's mostly Target, Walmart, TJ Maxx, Marshalls. So yun. We'll see. But, problema na ako sa bagahe ko. Kasi, kagabi, ngayong umaga, sabi ko mag-start na ako mag-pack. Kasi mamayang gabi nga, we're gonna have a late night. I think, late na kami uuwi. Kasi nga, we're going to the casino. Tapos, tomorrow will be my final full day. I don't know what's in store as well, kung anong balak. So, kailangan mag-start na ako mag-pack kasi ang flight ko on Sunday is 6 a.m. So, I have to be at the airport around maybe, siguro, max is 4:30 para hindi tago. Hindi ko sure kung paano yung security sa airport dito. Kasi, since maliit lang naman yung airport, but we'll find out. So, basta, kailangan pa din you have enough time before the flight. Kasi kung 6 o'clock ang flight, siguro 5:45 ang boarding. So, yeah, it's better to be there like around 4:30 max. So, kawawa naman sila maghahatid sa akin kasi 1 hour drive. So, we will be up like in the middle of the night. Kaya, I really need to start packing para hindi gahol kasi nga yeah, I have tomorrow the last kasi sabi ko ayoko na rin sanang bumili ng gamit kasi feeling ko lalagpas ako ng 23 kg which is okay lang naman, may additional bayad lang pero kaya pa ba ng maleta ko, yun din yun. Nandito pa lang ako, wala pa kami sa Texas. Pero, for sure, sa luggage ni Daddy and ng kids, for sure, I'm sure na may enough space. Pero, hindi ko rin alam kung ano yung mga galing Pilipinas na dala for the kids, for us, or whatnot. So, that will take up space as well. So, good luck talaga. Pero, yeah. Let's do this. I feel like I'm just gonna have brunch. I'm gonna eat the adobo kesa para I have more energy. So yeah, good morning. Happy Friday. Ayan guys, finally nakalabas na tayo. It's 12:05. I'm done with the parent-teacher conference. And yeah, okay naman. It's a nice weather. I'm wearing shorts. Of course. And then, yeah, punta tayo ng Dollar Tree and tignan natin if makakalakad tayo papuntang Dunkin Donuts kasi I want to try the iced coffee there. So, sabi sa map is 14-minute walk from the house. So, pero syempre from the Dollar Tree, mas lesser na lang yun. So, baka after Dollar Tree, pumunta ka ng Dunkin. We'll see. We're here na again. Let's see what we can find that we don't have in Canada. Ang dami na lang dito flavor nung for water. If you have been sa water talk ng TikTok page na ang tawag dyan, basta yung water talk kineme, mga flavored water. Ang dami nilang flavors.
Yeah, let's see.
Ang konti lang sa
I stacked it up all nice and neat.
Canada eh. So, I'm gonna grab a few. Everything here is $1.25. I think everything. Yeah. Sa Canada is $1.75. So, hindi na talaga siya dollar store. It's a scam. Char. Guys, natawa ko sa pangalan ng nail salon. Fine Nail Destination. Okay guys, change plans tayo. So I'm done at Dollar Tree pero we need to go home and change. Sabi ng kapatid ko, ibubook na lang ako ng Uber to pick me up at 3 o'clock. Wait, natawid tayo guys. May swimming pool sila dito oh. Pero sarado na siya as of September 1. Sayang. Anyway, ayun na nga. So, I'm gonna get picked up by Uber at 3 o'clock para dalhin ako dun sa casino na pinag-workan nila sa Mohegan Sun. And we're gonna have dinner daw doon. And then, tsaka kami uuwi. Change clothes to for the fancier other casino na hindi ko alam anong gagawin eh. Magkakasino nga daw. Wala akong pang casino. But, yeah. So, 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock susunduin ako. Punta dun sa casino nila. And then, kakain. And then, dadalhin ako sa casino sa kakompetensya nila. Kasi as an employee of that casino, hindi sila allowed mag-gamble. Maglaro sa casino. Oh my gosh, ang bilis. Oh my gosh, what's happening? I'm scared. There's something going on there. There's another one. Ay, hindi. Ay, oo. I'm scared. But anyway, so yun. So, kailangan tayo mag-ayos, mag-prepare, magpaganda. Kaya, uwi na ako. Hindi na ako nag-Dunkin. I'm almost home. Okay, we're home. And let's do a quick Dollar Tree haul. You know what's different? In Canada, you would always need to pay for the bag. Or like, yeah, they don't have paper bags anymore. They only use eco bags. So if you don't bring one, you need to buy one. So, wait lang, text natin. Anyways, ayun na. So, that's a good thing. Kasi nung naglalakad ako, sabi ko, ay shucks, wala akong dalang like eco bag or, kasi nakaano lang ako kanina. Yung aking, this one. So, sabi ko, pag may binili ako, I have to buy pa an eco bag or something. But good thing, I don't have to. So, they provide a bag. Anyways, hindi ganun karamihan kasi nagdidelikado na yung ating luggage. So, like I mentioned, I got some water flavoring powder thingy-majiggers. So, I thought, I got the grapes because I know Zach would like that. I got the strawberry watermelon. These are sugar-free, by the way. Yeah, zero sugar, zero sugar. Even the ones that I have back home. And last is strawberry daiquiri pack. So, para mas maenganyong uminom ng tubig. And then, this one have been popular on TikTok. Hindi pa ito nakarating ng Canada kasi the brand is Power Stick. Ano yan? Power Stick. And then, marami siyang scents. So, merong nakaganito. This is a body and hair mist. Pero meron din silang body spray na naka-aerosol can. Tapos, they have like deodorant wipes, face and body wipes, and they have the deodorant as well. So, I just got the hair and body and hair mist. The scent is Brazilian mist, and this is a dupe, according sa mga napanood ko, to Sol de Janeiro 69 ba? Yung yellow bottle din ng Sol de Janeiro. Tapos, syempre, tinesting ko doon. And yes, indeed, it smells like, kasi this is notes of pistachio and salted caramel, which is the same notes ng Sol de Janeiro. And then, syempre, in-spray din ko din doon sa kamay lang. But yeah, and this is a hair and body mist. And it does smell like Sol de Janeiro. So, sabi ko, let me try that. Tapos, I also got the deodorant version. I don't know why it's blue. It should be yellow para matching. But yeah, it's the same Brazilian mist. Hindi ko nakinuha yung wipes. And then, another dupe is the dupe for the Touchland sanitizer na I feel like nauso ng pandemic time. Pero yeah, hindi exactly the same shape. Kasi ito may, ano siya, curve and then pointed. Alam ko yung Touchland is all just curved corners. But, this is the watermelon scent. Yeah, it smells like watermelon. Parang yung candy. And last one is just a blush. Blush on na rosewood yung shade. Pak. Yan. Kasi wala akong dalang powder blush. Meron lang ako yung liquid blush, which I don't know if you can even see. So, yun lang. I wanted to get some snacks, those things that we don't have in Canada. Pero sabi ko, sa Texas na lang siguro pag nandun si Daddy, para sa maleta niya naman ilalagay. Kasi I'm running out of space because, di ba, maraming binigay yung kapatid ko. May boots pa. And then yesterday, they gave me a bag. Wait, pakita ko. Ayan. Kagabi, after dinner, sabi kasi baka yan, mabibisi like tonight, maano kami, late kami. Feeling ko late talaga kami uwi, madaling araw. Maybe, I don't know. Walang time. Tsaka mabibisi rin sa bukas sa pagpapak. So, inabot na sa akin kagabi yung gift. Sabi ko, for what? Why do you have to give me? It's not my birthday. Ta-da! It's a Kate Spade bag. Pack. And then, meron siyang meron ding like gold jewelries, accessories inside. Like there's a bangle, bracelet, necklace, which is totally up my alley. So I might be wearing some of this tonight. It depends. Let me see which one. But I also brought with me a lot of accessories. But yeah, and ang ganda nito, oh, kasi heart. Na-adjust siya. Ay, babaliktad. Nabuhol pala. So, yan. And there's a matching bracelet din. Back. Yan o. So, yun lang. Ah, there's also chocolate there na may liquor sa loob ng chocolate. From Poland daw yun. So, yun. Ang dami na nating kailangan ilagay sa bag. Kaya, kailangan ko na maghinay-hinay. So, anyway, I'm gonna start preparing. I only have 1 hour and 45 minutes. And believe me, I need all those minutes to get ready. So, yeah, see you later. Mag-quick OOTD pala muna tayo. Dahil sayang ang OOTD. Saglit lang na suot. Well, ito lang naman. Very simple. I'm into, wait, ayusin natin. I'm into leopard print right now. So, ang cute niya. And cherries. Leopard print, cherries, and bow. I like it. Recently, nahihilig ako sa kanila. So, yan. This and a leopard print shorts. And then, nag-vest lang ako para hindi totally labas ang taba. Pero, yan. Tsaka, naka-flats ako when I went to Dollar Tree. Anyway, let's do this. Let's prepare. Okay, guys, we are ready to go for a dinner. Ibubok na ako ng kapatid. Excuse me. Ibubok na ako ng kapatid ko for my Uber or Lyft. But first, let's OOTD. Hop, hop, hop. Kita ba? Ang dilim dun. Dito tayo ulit sa kitchen. Hindi naman kita eh. Tada! Here's my... Kahirap. Anyway, sige na. Let's go. Yeah. Accessories. I like my nails. I love it. Ayan. Ay, yung bangle ko pala. Okay. Nagte-text na. Bye! Okay, waiting na ako sa aking Uber. Dito ako sa labas ng apartment. Yeah. I think it's an 11-minute ride. If I remember correctly. Papunta dun sa casino nila. So, we'll see. Wish me luck. Dito na ako, guys. Sabi lang sa akin, follow the line. I follow the sign to the casino and dun niya ako imimit. So, I think we're almost there. We're here! Nag-picture-picture kami. This is a famous, ano daw, parang iconic landmark here at Mohegan Sun. May mga retail, there's Sephora, and so many restaurants. So many casino games, of course, because we are in a casino, but yeah. Okay, dinner time. We have, what do you call, steakhouse burger, spring chicken, and what's the name of this?
What is this?
Eggs in the garden. Eggs in the garden. Looks good. Looks very healthy. Let's eat things. Hey guys, we're home. And it's 6 o'clock here. And magpapalit lang kami. And then we're headed out again. Mag-Uber daw kami on the way to the Foxwoods Casino para makainom din si Brayton. Para makapag-enjoy din siya. Hindi lang siya driver today. So, I'm gonna change na to my party outfit. Gusto niya yung piligmat ko. Pak. Love it. Anyway, so yan. Buti nakapag-makeup na ako and everything. Magpapalit na tayo ng damit. Like, yeah. Okay, let's do this. Okay, guys. Are you ready for this? Charot. Pinahiram lang ako ng kapatid ko ng kanyang mga outfitan. Tudu! Pak! Nag-picture ako. Sasend ko kay Vince. Sayang wala siya dito. But yeah, we are ready to go in a while. Finalize na lang ng mga bagay-bagay and we're leaving soon. It's 6:40. So, hindi pala kami pwede super late umuwi kasi sabi ng kapatid ko yung tomorrow's plan or lakad, which hindi niya ni-reveal kung ano, maaga din kami gigising. We should be going at 7 a.m. So, yeah. Good luck. So, hindi ko alam kung oras kami uuwi today. Pero, yeah, that's why we're gonna start early para makauwi and maka-rest for tomorrow's agenda, which I don't know what. Okay, mag-OOTD tayo kaso wala akong space. Wala. Forget it. Okay. Malulubat na pala ako. We're here! They're gonna burn some money. Hey guys, we're home. I'm so sleepy. Pero maaga pa actually. What time is it? It's only 11 o'clock, in fairness. Maaga kami umuwi since it's gonna be an early day tomorrow and dinisclose na sa akin kung saan kami pupunta bukas. And we are going to New York. I'm so excited. We're gonna take the train. It's roughly 1 hour 40 minutes the train ride. So we have to leave at 7 because it's 1 hour drive to go to the train station daw. So we're gonna catch the 8 o'clock train and then 1 hour 40 minutes, so almost 10, and like the drop off will be at the central station, so it's gonna be a good one. We're gonna like take a lot of pictures and yeah, excited ako. So I need to charge my phone. I need to transfer all the clips. I don't think I can edit that vlog tonight because I'm so sleepy, and yeah, because even before we went, we already had like tequila shots here, we had vodka, and then there we had drinks. So medyo dizzy na ang lola niya, but I can still, you know, function, but I want to sleep. And yeah, it's gonna be a long day tomorrow. Tapos we have to pack. I have to pack pag uwi pa. So good luck to me. Anyway, I'm gonna end this vlog today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow in New York. Bye.